If you want to transfer the photos from your iCloud down to your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max, so here's how you can do that. In this video, I will show you two methods to transfer your photos. The first method is if you want to transfer specific photos from your iCloud to your iPhone. For example, if you have 200 photos in your iCloud and if you want to transfer only a few selected photos to your iPhone, so here's the process to do that. First of all, just go to Safari, then in the search bar just search iCloud.com. From here, just tap on Sign In. Now just sign into your Apple account in which you have saved your photos. Now in this section, just enter the password of your Apple ID. After you enter the password of your Apple ID, then tap on Sign In. From here, just tap on Photos. Now from here, just select the photos which you want to transfer to your iPhone. For example, I will select these two photos. But first of all, I will show you the Gallery app. As you can see, both of these photos are not available in my Photos app. Now just tap on Select and select the photos which you want to transfer. After you select your photos, then tap on the three dots over here and select Download Items. Tap on Download. Now just tap on the download icon over here. Go to Downloads and tap on iCloud Photos. Now just tap and hold on the zip file to unzip it. From this pop-up menu, just select Uncompress. Now just tap on this folder, and as you can see, these are the selected photos which I have downloaded from the iCloud. Now to save these photos to your Photos app, just tap on the photo and tap on the Share button. And from here, just select Save Image. Select Allow. Now just do the same with the other photo. And after you do that, you will save the selected photo to your Photos app. Now the second method is if you want to transfer all your photos from your iCloud down to your iPhone. For that, just go to Settings and tap on your profile icon. From here, just tap on iCloud, and in front of Saved to iCloud, just tap on See All. Tap on iCloud Photos and enable Sync this iPhone. Now after the syncing process completes, you will sync all your photos from your iCloud to your iPhone. As you can see, we have successfully synced all our photos from our iCloud to our iPhone, just like that. And this is how you can transfer photos from your iCloud to your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.